This remarkable Northcrest front swing with media floor plan from First Texas Homes is now available for immediate move-in at the community of Mira in Grand Prairie, Texas. This 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath, 3-car garage floor plan offers 4,648 square feet of custom move-in ready luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan offers stunning curb appeal with custom detail work throughout, starting with its custom brick and stone masonry exterior and covered front porch. As you make your way through the iron double door into the foyer, you'll be greeted by a beautiful split staircase with balcony that overlooks the family room. Off the foyer, you'll find a private study featuring a tray ceiling with crown molding, a ceiling fan, a large closet, and beautiful windows looking out onto the front yard. Additionally, you'll find a private suite with large closet and private bath. And just around the corner down the hall is a convenient half bath located just off the foyer. Pass under the staircase to the left and through a convenient walkthrough to find an elegant formal dining room featuring architectural arches, tray ceiling and crown molding, and large windows perfect for special occasions. As you pass through the split staircase into the family room, you'll find marvelous high ceilings, large beautiful windows, surround sound wiring, and a custom stone fireplace and mantel. The California kitchen features a massive center island with granite countertops, built-in stainless steel double oven, a built-in microwave, a 5-burner gas cooktop with decorative backsplash, butlers and walk-in pantry, and the adjacent breakfast nook is perfect for an afternoon snack. The private master suite features tray ceilings with dual crown molding, decorative windows, and a handy secondary closet to complement the master closet. Escape away into the master bath featuring bi-level vanities with makeup area and granite countertops, a relaxing jetted garden tub, an extended walk-in shower with seating and custom tile, and a large master closet. Make your way upstairs where you'll find a sizable loft, while the neighboring media room features high ceiling, a built-in wet bar with cabinets, an open closet with built-in shelving, and surround sound wiring perfect for watching the latest box office hits. The second floor also includes 3 spacious secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, spacious closets, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and another full bath. This Northcrest floor plan also includes an extended covered patio and a spacious backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This remarkable Northcrest front swing with media floor plan from First Texas Homes is now available for immediate move-in at the community of Mira in Grand Prairie, Texas. Call 214-334-2428 or visit us in the community of Mira in Grand Prairie, Texas for more information about purchasing this move-in ready home. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.